y-axis ticks. Let's just collapse that. We'll come down here, data, and data.length is greater than 0, and render y-axis ticks. I do hope that you are enjoying this workflow. When I found this, I found a video where the guy's flying through doing some of this stuff. He wasn't talking, and I just started playing with this, and I'm really like super happy with creating SVGs like this. This is just super sweet. This should be y-axis ticks. Now we're going to need a calculate height function again. This one will probably be very much the same as our last one. We have to get the maximum data, the maximum value, and then we'll go ahead and grab the minimum value, and then we can scale our ticks based on that. We'll say y max equals data.reduce, accumulated current, starting point is 0, and return current y key is greater than accumulated, then current y key otherwise return the accumulated. Const y min data.reduce accumulated current. I'm assuming you are familiar with the reduce function. Guess I should have asked that before. Return current y key is less than accumulated, then current y key, and I keep putting a capital K in there, don't I? Otherwise, return the accumulator, and we'll say let min equals 0, const actual chart height equals container height minus y margin times 2. Oh, no, we can say const gap between ticks is the actual chart height divided by the data.length minus 1. Yeah, this is the same as the last one. And the const y value gap. I don't think we really cover this that much, but this one's going to be what we're going to be able to use to say if I have 270. We're going to be using this number to determine where is 270 on here, because we've created our ticks. Now we need to figure out how do we get a value of 270 to line up with our ticks. So that's what this one's going to be, and that's y max minus min divided by data.length minus 1. And I'm going to return y max, y min, min gap between ticks, y value gap. And this should be equals. Alright. Now for our ticks, all we really need to do is const. For this one we just need the gap. And we're going to return data.map, item, index, return G with the key, y-axis, y-axis, ticks, index. Let's be consistent here. And we have a line with an x1, And right after our map, let's actually const y equals container height minus y margin minus gap between ticks times our index. That'll give us our little tick spot. It's going to be x margin. Y1 is going to be y. X2 is going to be x margin minus 10. Y2 is going to be equal to y. And our stroke width, and opacity, we can probably just grab... Oh, no, not from there, not from there. Stroke and stroke width. I think that will get us. Well, we're rendering that one twice, aren't we? There we go. And now we have ticks that line from the bottom all the way to the top. Okay, the next video we'll come back, we'll add our labels, and then I believe we can start to look at how to create bars. And then we're going to animate these bars.